I'm just big, black, and glossy right now.
It's
Ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen. Alright.
Hi guys. Hi.
Let's start.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
The,
Hi.
Alright.
hey!
I don't even know. I'm playing with some black people right now.
No, with my.
Oh yeah, in this video we're going against 7 for Hoover. They got spanked, but they cried about it. So.
Bro, be quiet. Who
Bro,
cried?
tell him who's the 7-4 Hoover.
I don't. Okay, bro. Like, say your name and your reputation. Alright, beg. Hold on. I almost sneezed on you. Where you at? You dropped. Yeah, I'm outside. Come on. Homie. Alright, bro. And I put that shit on, bro. Cash out, please. 7 for Snoochie. Snoochie down to the coochie. Alright. I've been waiting. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, you hella fat, man, homie. I ain't say nothing. Come on, pull up on your knee. Yo. You pulling niggas, bro. Yeah, bro. Come on, this nigga. Nigga, come here. Nigga, come here. Nigga, come here. Nigga, come on. I swung mine. Swing your shit, dumbass.
Hey, crazy place this city.
Weave, dumbass. Get that shit down. The ass one. Thumping this nigga out. Nigga. 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 Fuck that shit, nigga. No fear ones. Come here. Nigga, sit the fuck down. In that car. Put their ass on that motherfucking floor. I don't care, cause dead homies. Yeah, it's McDonald's now. Oh, bro, beating nigga ass. Now we finna go use some McDonald's. All they do is talk. They can't get back. Wait, didn't I just stump this nigga? I ain't gonna lie, your ribs must be hurting. I literally just stumped that shit out. I stumped on this nigga 6 times. Inside of a store that has cameras? Okay, matter of fact, no, let her up, cause this store has cameras, by the way. They gonna get that shit rated. Don't even matter. For sure. Damn, nigga stumped you out so bad that shit took away your memory? What? Okay. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna go with my homie. Go ahead, cuz. If I had pipe, you think I would have fought you? If I had pipe, you think I would have fought you, boy? Alright. Oh, nigga, what are you talking? Hold on, let me look at what I want to order, though. Chili dog or cat? Chili cock? I got $300. Alright. Bro, look, take his car. Take his car, nigga. See y'all. Weave, nigga. I'm getting low in this shit, nigga. What? Yeah, this nigga look like he super hood man. What, nigga? No. Don't be a track star. Just get on that wall. Get on that wall. Yep. Don't try to be the hood hero. That's how you get flipped. Ooh, I got a good shot on your ear, nigga. What you got in here? What you got in? Alright, what you got in here? Hey, cut. He had good G19s on him. He had good Glock 19s on him. Yeah, you can shoot 2 clips. Still. Alright, get off the block, nigga. It's bully Crip, bro. Why are you saying groove, nigga? What, nigga? Dumbass, that's one. Come here. I don't know, nigga, don't run. Sit that shit down, dumbass. Fuck. And y'all got out of new aid. I knew he was a rat, bro.
Ow.
I'm flipping any card I flip to this because I'm scared of Crip.
Oh, shit.
Like shit.
Alright, who this be?
Yo, who this?
7-4 me.
Who this be?
7-4.
Who this?
First new cheese, alright.
What did he say?
He said 7-4 Snoochies,
It's
alright.
not for night, but we clipped them.
Nah. Nope. Yep, he bounced out.
Bitty bitty scene. 1, 2, 3.
I mean, I can do whatever I want. That's not okay.
No!
Humanity. The power of you.
Oh shit.
You just said Snoochie. I'm so mad right now, bro.
Yeah.
That's so
87 for over right here. Hello, my friend.
It's weird. What? Y'all not playing this game, bro.
Man, that's one. Oh yeah. Oh, it's 2 of them. Come here, dumbass. Sit that shit down. Get low. Get little. Oh. Get low. That's how you do the drill. That's how you do the drill. Yeah, come on. Get this way. Up. And now we finna go get some McDonald's like nothing just happened. Get away. Hey, my brothers. Another day, another dollar. I ain't gonna lie. I just went back to sleep and woke up. But I'm finna get on these BPS people. Cause I heard they was talking stuff. I ain't gonna lie. I might need that favor with the little BPS stuff. We still is on Bully Crip. My name is, it's Kourtesy from Bully Crip. I ain't gonna lie. But we finna get on these little BPS people. Let's see what's up with them. Alright, come on, bro. We finna pull up on their block. I don't. Hey, whoa, hey. Hey, you from BPS? Is BPS right here? Trying to nigga this Bully Crip right here, bro. You was when I was talking on Twitter, right? What, nigga? You the one talking on Twitter? Come here, nigga. You fought hella gay. This nigga ran away and then came back. Come here. You got a nigga? Come here. Oh, let's go. Stop fighting like that, nigga. Oh, stop running away. Oh, stop running away and then coming back, gang. I need no more bodies. You should need no more bodies. Yeah, I get my own body. Yeah, act like this. It's a broke ass nigga. I'll fix him. Yeah.
Who that nigga in the hell? Cause that nigga's following me. I ain't gonna fit it. Nigga, who this?
Say what, boy?
Who this?
Nigga, this, I'm right here, nigga. This Bully Crip, boy.
It's right here? Put your hands up, bitch. Put your hands up. Put your hands up, nigga.
What's up?
That shit
I
up.
bet. I bet.
Good. Hey, nigga, put your hands up and twerk, nigga. Twerk, nigga. Twerk.
Let me turn.
I'm a Shaq Cash. Twerk, nigga. Twerk, nigga. Twerk. Nigga, I ain't playing with you, nigga. I said twerk, nigga.
Hey, who this is right here? Who this is right here?
Nigga, you know who did it to you? BSP. BPS.
BPS? I bet. I'ma mask up, nigga. Fuck all that shit. This nigga gonna rob me. I'm finna mask up. I don't care.
That nigga left you.
Bro, I'm finna go get that get back. I don't care. Kind of right here, man.
IG live ops not on none. Ops
Oh,
never on side. Oh god, I just robbed they
Hold on.
homie. Oh
What?
god. Never on side. Never on side. Never
What,
on
nigga?
side.
What?
The bitch ass ops.
Hold on.
The bitch ass hoe ass ops. Dumbass niggas.
up?
I'm bro. Hey, what are ops at? That nigga not trying to spin.
Hey, for you
Moppa,
BPS?
moppa. Yeah, nigga.
Hey, okay.
Nigga's not on shit.
He's gonna rob me, right?
Oh,
Dumbass,
shit.
come here.
Oh,
Dumbass, sit that shit down. Dumbass, don't fucking rob me again. Nigga, stand over his ass.
I just came out the. Just waiting here. They block. God. Sometimes you gotta take that trip.
Little barrier things. Alright. And bro, just be fucking chill, man. Oh, you got the fuck. Even though his auntie is fucking boy. Bro, I just keep on Oh, it's raining outside. I'll stick on my. But yeah, hopefully, you don't know. Greenie. Oh, it's thunder out here.
I think the op just got here. I ain't gonna lie.
Greenie.
Yo, who this?
Nigga, this bully crib, boy, who this?
Bully Crip?
Come here. Dumbass, sit that shit down. Nigga, don't try to spin my block so long.
Man.
Yeah.
Hey, me that Mega Mall. Let's bump.
Is this that dumbass op that's from Black Pit Stains or something? Yeah, nigga, stay quiet, bitch boy. Same nigga, right?
Nigga, come to the Mega Mall. I got a surprise for you, bitch.
I bet. Don't be scared too, nigga.
I'm scared. Niggas not trying to spin. Niggas know what stuff is in here. Hey, niggas know how it is, gang. Big Gen 5 out here in this bitch. Hey, who that nigga right there?
Hey, shawty, this you right here?
Hey, nigga, who you?
It's a Black Pit Stain?
Nigga, who this?
It's a Black Pit Stain?
Like, piss. Drench your shit, nigga.
But you BPS?
Hell yeah, nigga, what's up?
You aiming guns? Alright, for sure.
Bitch ass
You
nigga.
became a stranger. I knew that you really were me. It was yabba dabba do.
The gun, full on. Get down.
Come here.
Yeah, this bitch. Oh, yeah, push that bitch, twin. Push that bitch.
Oh, he's scared. What, that little Black Pit Stain scared, nigga? Fucking Pit Stain, nigga.
Well, you wanna do that, right? I'm gonna spin fun of.
I don't care.
Nigga, I'm run back to your car over there, nigga.
Come here. I bet I'm out. That's your second clip. You been shot. Hey, nigga. Who bro about? Oh, I'm shot. Come on.
Look, oh, good
I'll
thing
take
I
you
made
back.
it. Damn, I just made it to the hospital.
Now, nigga.
Alright, me too. I'm good.
matter.
But I want to check what this nigga is. He
I
had
just
to go
gotta
to the
be
hospital
for
too. So, and my op just, and I shot my op. Yeah, nigga driving crazy.
Oh, let me go get some. Let me go get some gas.
I need some gas.
Let me call this a little Black Pit Stain. Ring a ding a ding a ding a ring a ding a ding a ding a.
Yo,
Yo, hey, bro, where you at? I'm trying to bump in traffic.
I'm at the gas station.
Trying to bump in gas. Wait, which gas station?
The yellow one, Ron.
Yeah, Ron.
Yeah. I I'm at that run gas station. I'm at that run gas station. I'm at that run.
I
That
bet when I
run.
pull up, you're not gonna be there, nigga. You lucky.
Like, come to Mega Mall, bitch. We a bump again. Fun up. You saw me, nigga. Nigga,
Talking
you
about
went to the
coming to Mega Mall.
hospital.
You don't
Nigga,
want to
I
go.
smoked your shit. Nigga, I popped your shit.
Your bitch ass is not at raw, nigga. Just tell bitch ass over.
Oh, shit, Cash. I almost killed your dumb ass, Cash. Nigga, you lucky I ran out of bullets, Cash. Oh, that's you right here? That's you right here?
And what, nigga? It's me in that white car right there, nigga. What?
Who is?
Yo, nigga. This is me in that black car. What you wanna do, nigga?
It's you in the
Crip.
black car, nigga? What's up, nigga?
Mm-hmm. What?
Pull
Bounce
that
out
shit
there.
over. Bounce out? Nigga trying to flip shit.
Oh, alright. See, look. Nigga's pussy. Alright.
What? Who pussy? Who pussy? Who pussy?
Wait, come on.
Who pussy? Nigga, bounce out that bitch. Where that nigga go? Nigga went through the alley. Now the alley goes like this. Where that nigga go? Where you at, nigga? Fuck you up, nigga. Nigga talking about some lift bump, niggas not even here. Oh shit!
Alright,
Damn!
that's you?
He ain't parking this shit.
Oh, what niggas gonna do, okay? Oh, okay. Fuck. Hey, get off this motorcycle for me. Thank you, Sami.
No more got the switchy tuck.
Hey, niggas don't wanna do that? Hold on. I'm gonna call this nigga.
Yo,
Yo, like, are you being pussy or are you gonna bounce out that bitch
no,
or
no,
what?
I bounced out. Nigga, I been bounced out.
Mm-hmm. Hang up. Mm-hmm, that's you right here?
Mhm.
Come here. Why are we ducking behind things, Lil Scoop?
I'm scared, nigga.
Come here.
Calls the op.
Yo.
Yo, gang, you trying to bump your
Why is
traffic?
just calling me?
Niggas bump your
Niggas
traffic,
bump your
bitch ass
traffic,
nigga. This
boy.
BPS.
EPS. Black Pistons.
Nigga, I'm in a black Hellcat, nigga.
You
And
a black
Mega Mall.
Hellcat?
And Mega Mall, nigga.
I bet. I'm at
Hey,
LTD.
what's your car? What's your car?
What's my car?
Oh yeah.
You say you're in a black Hellcat, right? I bet.
Yeah, I'm in a black
Hang up.
Hellcat. White car. Pretty driving a little reckless. I'm in the
Fucking
bucket.
black Pistons. Hey, this Black Pistons?
Yeah, yeah, nigga, what's up?
I already knew that. That's why you was following me. You was a bitch. Bounce out that bitch. Okay. Wait. Come here. Let's have. Why are we still hiding behind things? Hmm? Oh, you pussy. Come here. I know you're gonna come inside.
Oh, I got
I
this
see.
switch
Mhm.
up.
Oh yeah. Come here. I got them. I ran out of bullets. I'm gonna put this sword. I ran out of bullets. Nigga, you just shot 2 clips, buddy.
Hell no, nigga, I only shot one clip. What are you talking about?
Nigga, you shot 2
Come here,
clips.
nigga. Come here, nigga. Come here, nigga.
Hey,
Come
nigga,
here,
what
nigga.
you gonna do?
Come here, nigga.
I'll
Come
whack
here,
your ass with a gun. Back up. Leave. I'll whack your
nigga.
shit.
I
Come
got 4
on.
more bullets. Fuck, I ran out. That was
You
good
lucky
scenes,
I don't
good
whack your
scenes.
shit with a gun next time. Yo. Yo, can I? Hold on. before we even start the actual outro, can I get some claps, please? Thank you. I know. I don't know why I'm clapping for myself. But yeah, y'all see what happened in today's video. This is the end of the video. We was giving belts to 2 gangs this time. 2 gangs. Y'all probably gonna be like, oh my god, you only gave it to 1 gang. No, we gave it to 2 gangs this time. Yeah. You could barely hear any of them because they did not share the audio with me. So I couldn't really hear anything, so I would just, no, I can hear stuff, but you guys can't hear anything. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hold on, matter of fact, I forgot our daily smoke. Oh wait, I forgot our daily smoke. That sounds like a very addictive thing, but yeah, come on. Oh. That one. That wasn't the one, but Phew. Matter of fact, I ain't go. I'm finna go. I'm not even gonna sit down. I'm finna go. Damn, I can't even sit down. Lay down. Yeah, hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, bro. Or probably whenever I post. So yeah, lay y'all.